Greetings and welcome to Dapur Shaila. Today I would like to share the recipe for Mango Pomfret Fish Curry. For this recipe, we will need around 5 or more medium-sized pomfrets. Cut shallow slits on the fish so that it absorbs the taste of the spices. Mix the fish with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. We set it aside first and let it marinate for 30 minutes. In a pan, roast 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 8 cloves, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 4 stalks of dry chilies cut in 2. Just keep it aside to cool for a while. Heat a little oil. Add 7 bird-eye chilies, one onion, two tomatoes, and fry until everything a little soft and fragrant. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, cover and let it cook for a while. Now add 2 inches of ginger and 4 cloves of garlic. Stir for a while, then keep it aside to cool. First, we grind the dry ingredients that were roasted earlier and set it aside. Then blend the wet ingredients. Add a little water before blending. Once done, set it aside. Fry the fish until it's half cooked only. Then set it aside as well. Add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 stalks of curry leaves. Now add the blended wet ingredients. Rinse the blender cup with a little water. Let it simmer until slightly thickened. Add 1 tablespoon of dry chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, stir well. These are 2 potatoes cut into 4 pieces. Simmer until the potatoes are cooked. Add about half a liter of water and bring it to a boil. Now put the fish in. add a few slices of mango. I'm using only one mango. Prepare 200 milliliters of turmeric juice. To make it, just take a little turmeric, the size of a marble, and mix it with 200 milliliters of water. Now we sprinkle the spices that we grinded earlier. Finally, add 100 milliliters of concentrated coconut milk. Mango Pomfret Fish Curry is ready. The fragrant smell and the spicy taste with the sourness of the mango will definitely give you an appetite. Before serving, garnish with a little coriander leaves. That's today's recipe from Dapur Shaila. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest videos, and also like, comment and share.